Understanding IELTS. IELTS listening in detail. Task type 2 matching. Task type 2 and format. Test takers are required to match a list of items from the listening text to a set of options on the question paper. The set of options may be criteria of some kind. Task focus. Matching assesses the skill of listening for detail and whether a test taker can understand information given in a conversation on an everyday topic such as the different types of hotel or guest house accommodations. It also assesses the ability to follow a conversation between two people. It may also be used to assess test takers' ability to recognize relationship and connections between facts in the listening text, and number of questions can be variable. The task type 3 in listening about plan, map, diagram, labeling. Task type and format. Test takers are required to complete labels on a plan of a building, map of town, or diagram of a piece of equipment. The answers are usually selected from a list on the question paper. Task focus. This type of task assesses the ability to understand, for example, a description of a place and to relate this to a visual representation. This may include being able to follow language expressions and expressing spatial relationships and directions. And the questions, number of questions, variable. Listening type 4, form, note, table, flowchart, summary, completion. Task type and format. Test takers are required to fill in the gaps in an outline of part or of all of the listening text. The outline will focus on the main ideas, facts in the text. It may be a form often used to record factual details such as names, a set of notes used to summarize any type of information using the layout to show how different items related to one another. A table used as a way of summarizing information which relates to clear categories, place, time, and price. A flowchart used to summarize a process which has clear stage with the direction of the process shown by arrows. Test takers may have to select their answers from a list on the question paper or identify the missing words from the recording, keeping to the word limit stated in the instructions. Test takers don't have to change the words from the recording in any way. Test takers should read the instructions very carefully as the number of words or numbers they should use to fill the gaps will vary. A word limit is given, for example, no more than two words and are a number. Test takers are penalized for contracted words will not be tested. Hyphenated words count as single words. Task focus. This focuses on the main points which a listener would naturally record in this type of situation, and the number of questions variable. Listening task 5, sentence completion. Test takers are required to read a set of sentences summarizing key information from all the listening text or from one part of it. They then fill in gap in each sentence using information from the listening text. A word limit is given, for example, no more than one word and or a number. Test takers are penalized for writing more than the stated number of words. Test takers should check this word limit carefully for each task. The limit is either 1, 2 or 3 words. Contracted words will not be tested. Hyphenated words count as single words. And focus of this task is sentence completion, about the ability to identify the key information in a listening text. Test takers have to understand functional relationships such as cause and effect, and the questions are variable. Listening type 6, short answer questions. Test takers are required to read a question and then write a very short answer using information from the listening text. A word limit is given. For example, no more than 3 words or a number. Test takers are penalized for writing more than the stated number of words. Test takers should check this word limit carefully and each task. Contracted words will not be tested. Hyphenated words count as single words. Sometimes test takers are given a question which asks them to list 2 or 3 points. Task focus. Sentence completion focuses on the ability to listen for concrete facts such as places, prices, or times within the listening text. And the questions are variable.